Gliding is the key to elegant swimming. Maybe you don't want to be the fastest swimmer in the pool, but you want to glide through the water like an ice skater, fluidly and at a rhythm you can hold for a long time. But most advice online and with in-person coaching will try to make you faster and in the process get you exhausted on every workout. Because to be faster, you need to be exhausted on 90% of the workouts. But what if your goal is to swim smoothly? What if your goal is acquiring the skills to swim comfortably for the rest of your life? Here are the 3 tips that will inevitably make you smoother. Tip number 3. The perfect glide is at a shoulder height. The most common mistake is to glide with the hand on the surface. Why is this a mistake? Because the shoulder rotates and goes down 4 or 5 inches. If the hand stays on the surface, there will be a lot of resistance or drag on the arm. It will also lift your upper body and sink your hips. Tip number 2. Tip number 3 only works if you have a glide. Most people don't wait with the arm in front nearly enough. The main reason for rushing the stroke is the breath. If your breath is not calm, then nothing about your swim will be smooth. Think about an underwater dancer. If she had a terrible urge to breathe, she wouldn't be graceful. So, before you try gliding, make sure you can control your breath and relax while swimming. Before gliding, you also need to Before we continue with the video, if you want to improve your flow in the water, the best way we can help is in person. Here are our tour dates for the 2026 swimming camps. You know the drill. Reserve your spot soon or wait another year. Click in the top right corner to find out more or in the link in the description. Before gliding, you also need to be moving. Without a strong movement forward, you would just be posing like this. To move, you need to pull water towards your feet, not only with your fingers and palm, but also with your torso. Imagine you want to pull an elephant. You wouldn't be standing there just with your torso perfectly still and pulling with your hand. You would stretch your arm on that side and pull with your whole torso. The elephant won't move, but at least you gave it a better try. Well, let's do that in the water too. What to do with the legs? Here's a bonus advice. Don't try to fix everything at once. Put on a pool buoy and or fins and focus on the pull, the breath, and the glide underwater. We have taught people how to swim better for 10 years now. We have also worked with many coaches. Beginner coaches will tell you many things at once. They're just happy they can identify all of the mistakes. We used to do that too. On the other hand, veteran coaches are either too good to be working with beginners, so they only work with elite, or some of them are too set in their old ways that they miss out on good insights. Our goal is to always keep getting better by reading your comments and insights below, and to also keep doing swimming camps to share hyper-personalized tips with you. The kind of tips that will only make sense for you. It would not make sense to do a mass YouTube video because it will only apply to you. Next time you swim, focus on the glide. At Skills and Talents, we don't believe you can improve. We know so. In our camps, we have never met someone we couldn't help improve their swimming technique. And this is our 7th year doing the camps. Each year, we meet in person around 100 people from ages 8 to 76. That is close to 700 people we have the privilege to give a clear path to improve. What breaks my heart is when inevitably, at some point during the camp, they tell us, "Interesting, no one has ever told me that." And it is not even the little stuff. It is the big basic things like the hand accelerates during the pull. Some people have had coaches for years and never get real feedback. Other people try to find coaches but can't find any willing to help. I wish we could meet every one of you and look you in the eye and tell you that you are not stuck. You're not bad at swimming. You're just missing 1 or 2 things that will unlock a lot more potential in you. If you want to know more about our camps, click here. If you want to see more videos about smooth swimming, click here. See you there. Swim smooth.